If you're a parrot lover, you need to hear these 10 jaw-dropping parrot facts. Parrots can live for over 80 years, talk about a lifetime companion. They have zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward, perfect for climbing. Some parrots can learn to mimic over 100 words. Hello, Chatterbox. The smallest parrot is the buff-faced pygmy parrot, only about 3 inches long. Parrots can see ultraviolet light, which humans can't see. Superpower vision. They have strong beaks that can crack open even the toughest nuts. Parrots are known to dance to music. Cue the conga line. Some species, like the African gray, are as smart as a 5-year-old child. Parrots use their beaks like an extra hand to help them climb and balance. In the wild, parrots often mate for life, true lovebirds. And there you have it, 10 incredible parrot facts in under 60 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome animal content.